Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ysl, and in today's video I am back with a review, and I'm going to be reviewing my new YSL clutch that I got. So I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and slight review of the product. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get straight into it. And today I am filming in the living room because the lighting was better, and my room is like super dark and cloudy right now, so we're gonna film in here. Okay, so I actually got this on my anniversary, and yeah, it's just a YSL pouch. It's called the Small Monogram Bill Pouch in Grain de Porde embossed leather, and this is the small size. So let's just get into it. So they put it in this packaging. It's usually black, but I guess they have like this silver now. I prefer the black, but the silver is fine. And I had saw this in the YSL store, and I told my boyfriend, I was like, I really want this. It's super cute. I've really been needing like a nice going out pouch for like date nights and special occasions. So it came in this box, super cute. Okay, so it came in this box, super cute. And when you take it out, it comes in a nice little dust bag. And this is it. So gorgeous. He got it for me in the black color. I wanted just simple black. They had other colors that were really nice as well, but I really love the black. I love the chevron construction. What always gets me with YSL is their gold logo. I love the gold so much. It's the perfect size as well. It has the perfect construction. So it has this flap right here. You could put some cash. And it comes with the authenticity card. It still has this little thing on here I haven't taken off. I'll take it off, but it has a zipper. And it has enough space to store things. It also has like a little pouch where you can put cards and stuff in here, and just enough space for going out. It also comes with other authentic stuff with it as well. So I think it's perfect. It can fit my phone. I have the iPhone 12, so I can put it right in here. Doesn't make it look bulky or anything. Like, it fits perfectly. This kind of pouch, I would put a few different things in it for going out. So like my Maybelline Fit Me powder, I would put that in there in case I need to powder myself. I would just carry like a little lip gloss. You could put that in there, and maybe even a little rollerball perfume. So I would put that as well. And then I could always put some cards in there and some cash. You could put cash in this little part right here. But mainly when I go out, I probably would just have the phone, just some like lip gloss. And that's pretty much it. Maybe a perfume. I could put the perfume in here. The Fit Me powder makes it a little bit bulky, but I would put these three main essentials. And most of the time my phone is in my hand. So I would have this, and then I would just put some cash right in there, and that's how I would wear it out. And it doesn't look bulky or anything. It still looks nice and slim. The construction on it's beautiful. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. So I do highly recommend it. I will have it linked in the description box below. Such a nice purchase, such a nice going out bag or clutch. I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the blue thing. My nails are like all in my way, but yeah, super gorgeous. I love this so much. Highly recommend. And it holds everything that I need it to for like going out, date night, events, everything. Special occasion. Looks super cute on. So it would look like this if I'm holding it. Really cute. So I love it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this quick little review of this item. I had to kind of rush this review because I do have to go out right now, but I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I love this. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.